The district attorney that represents Adair, Cherokee, Wagoner, and Sequoyah County says he plans to prosecute drug dealers for murder when their drugs lead to people dying from overdoses. News on 6's Amy Slanchik is live to tell us more about that plan. Amy?
Well, Lori, as you know, this is not an entirely new concept. District Attorney Jack Thorpe says his team has prosecuted overdose death cases as murders before, but he says overdose deaths are skyrocketing and murder charges should be the new standard. District Attorney Jack Thorpe has been studying Oklahoma Medical Examiner reports for months and says in his 4 counties alone, more than 70 people have died from a drug overdose in the past 2 years.
This is a combined drug toxicity with fentanyl and cocaine. I think that we should start treating these overdose victims as victims, and we should start going after the drug dealers, those individuals that distribute those drugs, as murderers, because that's what they're doing. They're delivering the drugs that kill these people.
Thorpe says the change starts with law enforcement treating overdose deaths as crime scenes from the very beginning by collecting evidence right away to build a case as if it were a homicide scene. Another part of the plan is education and connecting addicts with life-saving resources before it's too late.
Northeastern Oklahoma and the western part of Arkansas are pretty much treatment deserts.
Dr. Jennifer Mathis and her husband, Dr. Jason Ballou, are opening an outpatient clinic in Tahlequah for addiction patients later this month.
People don't realize that it's now in everything, and everything is fentanyl. The heroin around here, the so-called heroin, is actually fentanyl.
Dr. Ballou says it's not just heroin, but meth, cocaine, Adderall, and Xanax, too. The team looks forward to welcoming anyone looking for help and a fresh start. The addiction specialist doctors I talked with encourage everyone to learn how to use Narcan and carry it with you in case there's an opportunity to help someone. They also pointed to a list of resources in our area, which of course we will post on our website. Amy Slanchik, Oklahoma Zone, News on 6.